Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch, Rush Truck Center here in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilt here on YouTube. Well, we finally got some 589s coming through here, and you're going to see a bunch of these. Very nice trucks. I know you 389 guys are going to throw rocks at me for saying that, but they are very nice trucks. This one's the legendary package. And how you can tell that is right along the side of the hood here. Obviously the fenders being polished, which is very similar to the old Pride and Class. But this is what is the dead giveaway, is that Peterbilt logo with the spears on it. Really cool logo. I wish they'd have done the same up here on the nose, but they didn't. If you notice the mesh on the grill, very 359-ish, if you remember the old Peterbilt 359s. Brand new 2025. This one is, and I apologize because it's a little cloudy today, wasn't supposed to be. This is the medium Dark Arcadia Blue. Medium Dark Arcadia Blue, which is an absolutely gorgeous color in the sun. Easy color to keep clean. Brand new 2025 589. You can see how they kind of put the turn signal, they French it right into that piece. Very nice. Same stocks that the 389 had for headlights. And you can see the way that hood slopes together because it is a wider cab, so you can see that. You can see the hood kind of go out there on both sides. It does look different from the driver's seat. Where you really can tell the difference is your fender width there. You see how that fender is kind of a wedge. It just keeps growing and getting wider up here. They Frenched in the air breathers. Unlike the W990, we kept the external air breathers and they kind of Frenched them in there. So that was a must that Peterbilt had to have, is the external air breathers. Air ride steer axle. This one, I'm not going to pop the hood on this one, but it's a 605 2050 torque Cummins X15. It's pretty much got everything. If it's an option, it's on there. There's your heater and shore power. Def tank, 100-gallon fuel tank on this side. You notice we can't get the back of the sleeper is just smooth there. I would like to get our little California fins, they call them, or just the little short fins. I'd like to see that. But you can get just the smooth edges, or you can get the fairings that stick out to the back. One thing they did really improve, that's your esbar heater exhaust. Much better, much better. Window, this is an 80-inch sleeper. You cannot get a 78-inch sleeper anymore. This is an 80-inch, and it is shared between a 579, a 567, and a 589. And I know you diehard 389 guys are not happy about it. I'm not either, but if you look at it from a manufacturing standpoint, I get it. Makes sense. Disc brakes all the way around, full lockers. Just a gorgeous truck. These things drive absolutely great. Oh, and this one we did the split. We got 100 gallons worth of fuel and 50 gallons worth of hydraulic fluid. Let's do a window and a small door on this side. And one thing you will notice, we're missing a visor. It was supposed to be fixed by now, supposed to have a visor on it, but they sent us a visor for a flat top. So that'll be fixed. Maybe I can get another video on it before then. So with that, I'm going to take you inside and show you let's see if we can. So the weight is right at 19,000 pounds, 18,896, so 18,900 pounds. Medium dark Arcadia blue is the paint. So with the legendary package, you get the script here again with the 2 spears. Black interior, black carpet. And here's where you see the big difference. And I don't think from now on we're going to put this cup holder in the middle. I think we're going to take that out. We got plenty of cup holders. But huge amount of room between these 2 seats. Okay, let this fire up. Now here's where you see the difference. Now it looks right down the hood here, but when you kind of get over here, see that angle right there? How that angles? From the driver's seat, that's the biggest difference. Everything else is fantastic. The downside, that's as many gauges as you can get. You can put a bunch more in here. You can move all of these around to where you want them. But physical analog gauges, that's it right there. AM, FM, Bluetooth, climate control. Very nice steering wheel. Everything else, as you guys see, is pretty standard. That slides out for like an iPad or a tablet. 18-speed transmission, 336 gears on this one. Here's your full lockers right there and your 5th wheel slide. We are pre-wired with a PTO switch. Factory CB. Tons of room in this thing. And I can stand up. I'm 5'10". When I stand up, I touch just barely. Lots of room in between these seats. Got a little storage locker. And then sitting from back here, it's just a much more comfortable truck. That's probably the best way to put it. Your esbar heater, place for a microwave. Oh, come on. She doesn't want to focus, and I'm not sure why. If you can see, it's got the ambient lighting. See if I can. Sorry about that, but sure was. There it goes. And then a place for I think it'll take a 22-inch TV, flat screen, that'll fit right in that cubby. Closet, and a much larger refrigerator than what you had before. So, just thought I would, you can tip that seat up and have access to all your storage underneath. So, I just thought I'd share this one with you. It's got storage like crazy. But this is where it shines, is between these seats. So, absolutely incredible driving truck. No squeaking, no noises. It's just a lot more automotive technology in this truck. The good news is, well, I should show you that we don't have much here on the lot. We have 2 used trucks. I've got a bunch of those blue ones from Western Distributing out of Denver, if anybody needs one. The good news is I can get you a new truck in about 6 to 8 weeks from the factory, so we can order exactly what you want, the color you want, engine, tranny. I mean, we can get every spec to exactly what you want. So that's the good news, is Peterbilt's much easier to deal with right now because they would like some orders, so we can get them quick. So with that, I'm gonna let you go. It's Keith Couch, Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado, 970-691-3877. Or you can email me at couchk, that's C-O-U-C-H-K, at rushenterprises.com. Email or text is usually the best. Appreciate you guys. I'll try and get some more on here. I know it's been a while. I appreciate you guys sticking with me, and if you can, please like and subscribe. That does help. Thanks guys, take care.